viewers, welcome back. Mr. Fix-It here with another review. This is actually a Home Depot Seeds review that I'm doing today. And I went and ordered blades. These are the metal blades that Milwaukee makes. Okay, I actually ordered two of them. This is the 7 1/4. I already put that on my saw. And this one here, I'm about to put on my saw. This is the 10" for my trim saw. What I don't really cut metal that much, so I was anxious to see what else I could cut with these blades efficiently. So the first thing I wanted to try was cutting trim, because my trim blade is, needing replaced. So I took the old trim blade off, and as you can see the difference in the teeth. This one has more of a ripping teeth, the old one, and that's a finished blade. Okay, and this one here for the metal has more of a flat tooth. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see how it cuts the trim. I took the old blade off. I'm going to put this new one on, and you have to make sure to watch the arrows on the blade to make sure the blade is going in the right direction so it cuts right. This one just happens to be turned over so the face is facing in. This has a reverse threads on it. So I'm going to tighten this up on there. We got the lock for the blade here, so I can tighten up the blade. I'm going to lock that. Tighten up the blade real tight, put the guard back in place. Now let's give her a shot. So that was nice. Hardly any drag on the blade. And as you can see, it cut it real nice. This is one of the nicest cutting blades I've had. So obviously it's pretty strong, but also the ripping tooth doesn't really matter. The straight tooth actually gives it a better finish, because you want this to fit up nice and tight to your cuts so you have less caulk, maybe no caulk. So makes me happy. I'll be able to use this. I probably won't even use it for metal. I'll just use it, save it for my trim. Let's go outside. I got another project I'm using for the 7 1/4. This should be really interesting because I'm redoing the skirt on the outside of this unit. As you can see, this is the old skirt. I already took the skirt off the side there. We're going to use this door rock. It's like Hardy Backer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it to width. It's 30 inches high, and this is 36. So I'm going to cut it down to 30 and use it the full 5 feet, and then I'm going to build a little frame in the back and tie the frames on together so it stays up real nice and straight. So first, I'm going to take my tape measure and measure 30 on each side, mark it. Measure 30 on this side, mark it. Alright. Then you're going to take your chalk, shake it up to ensure you got a lot of chalk on the line. We're going to take, chalk us a line. I already installed the blade. As you can see, it's the metal blade. So usually I'll cut this product with a 4 1/4 diamond blade from my grinder. But it's really messy and hard to do a straight line. So it'll be interesting if this is going to work out for me. Also set your depth. You want your depth so it cuts with the blade part, not with the end. You want to cut with this part here. So I adjusted it so it's about 1/4 inch. Remember to put on your safety equipment. You don't want to knock an eye out. You got your goggles and your face mask. Alright, we're going to have at it. See what we got. Okay, folks, that makes me real happy. Now I'm going to be able to cut all this door rock a lot easier with that blade. So this is definitely something you can get this blade for. After this whole pile, it may need resharpening, but I'm telling you, that is a lot less aggravation than cutting with a 4.5-inch wheel on the grinder. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments, like and subscribe, share the video, guys. Again, if you need me to do a video, shout it out. I'll do a video on whatever you need me to do it on. This is Mr. Faust, or Mr. Fix-It, and I'm coming at you with another Mr. Fix-It video. I'm out.